Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your listing price on the new Manage Inventory page in Amazon Seller Central. Let's jump right in and learn how to make these updates quickly and easily. First, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Inventory tab in the top navigation menu. Click on Inventory and from the drop-down, select Manage Inventory. This will take you to the new Manage Inventory page where you can see all your active listings. Search for your product using the product name, SKU, or ASIN to quickly find your listing. Once located, go to the price column next to your product and click directly on the price field to make it editable. Enter the new price you want for your product, ensuring it's competitive and aligns with your business strategy. After entering the new price, click outside the field or press Enter. A message will pop up prompting you to save the changes. Click on Save All to confirm. And that's how you update your listing price on the new Manage Inventory page in Amazon Seller Central. Keeping your prices up to date is essential for maximizing sales and staying ahead of the competition. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest tips and tutorials.